how to set the height from the bed. First I set the height and I make a cut, in this case 120 millimeter from the bed. Then I measure the thickness of the log just above the first support. In this case it is 137 millimeter and we have keyed in 120. On the caliper, 120 on the computer. And since I haven't changed the height, I only need to key in what the caliper says in the machine. I start with holding set for 3 seconds, and I key in 138 millimeter, and I push enter or next cut. Now I bring the sawmill down to 125 millimeters and I make my next cut there. All other settings are the same. Then I measure it again with the caliper. Now it measures 123.8, should have been 125. So I will correct the 1.2 millimeter, or actually the 1 millimeter, because I can't correct 0.2. The caliper shows 123.8 and it should be 125. I hold in the set for 3 seconds. I key in 124 millimeter and I push next cut. So. I return the sawmill and I run down the head to 115 millimeter. When I reach 115 millimeter, I'll make a new cut. After the new cut, I measure again to see what we have, and this time we have 114.75, and I cannot adjust anything else but millimeters, not points. 114.75 millimeter on the caliper and 115 in the machine. That's good.